It's a perfect situation to make musical sounds.
Hello, this is Liz. Welcome to my little urban homestead. I've got some beef left over and I cooked it up with some onions. This was preserved by I put a chunk of beef in the freezer, pulled it out. Me and Lurch had some in another meal and there was some left over. So this is what I'm doing with it. I had this the other weekend, it was lovely. I'm using a wok. You can use a saucepan, whichever you want for this. I've got some pasta in here that's been going now for about 7 minutes, got another 3 minutes to go. What I've got here is some sweet corn and peppers that I froze up myself. The reason the uniform shape is because I use that cutter chopper thing, and obviously sweet corn, it just comes off the cob, and they're still frozen because I've only just got them out the freezer, but it doesn't matter, I'll cook them up. Also a jar, or what's left of the jar, because like I said, I have had some of my homemade nasturtium pesto. So it's beginning to get there heat wise now. So I'm just going to put all of this in here. Steak, strips of beef, and cubes, whatever I cut it into, and now and there warming and browning. Now this is nice and hot. I'm going to add my frozen veggies in and because the sweet corn was blanched before it was frozen and the pepper you can eat from raw, it won't take very long at all to just heat them through so that they aren't frozen anymore. Pop from that lump. Might take a bit longer for the lump. And while they're coming right, I'm going to have sort my pasta out and I'll show you what that looks like in a moment. And while that's cooking, I've got a tomato in the fridge that needs using up. So I've cut it up and in it goes. Whoops. Pasta's more or less ready now. But in there I'm going to add just a little bit of salt. And because I like it, half a teaspoon of garlic powder. You could put fresh garlic in, but I haven't got any, so it's powdered, it is. And just let that cook away for a few minutes while I now sort out my pasta. That's my pasta in half a jar of my homemade pesto. And yeah, I could add less, but I do like the taste of it. So it's now ready. So I put it on there, keep it warm. And this is ready, so I'll plate it up and show you what it looks like. Simple, easy, very nutritious and tasty. Just me for the meal tonight, so here's some pasta. some of the veg and beef. And that's my tea for tonight. But as you can see, there's some left that I can have cold tomorrow as a salad. Thank you. Bye.
It's a perfect situation.